Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Road Auto Modeling function under the Road Scene module. This function can automatically model based on the road area, point cloud, and other internal ground vectors. Clicking the Road Auto Modeling button will bring up a dialog box. Before automatic modeling, a topology check must be performed. The modeling can only proceed when the status of the checklist is done. The checklist consists of 4 parts. 1. Check road area polygon. Verify the geometric shape of the road area polygon, primarily checking for self-intersection errors. 2. Check inner objects completeness. Ensure that internal vector objects, such as lane lines and arrows, are fully located within the road area polygon. 3. Check inner non-closed roadside line. Mainly check whether flower beds and physical isolation within the road area are closed. 4. Check repeated points. Ensure that all vector objects do not have duplicate points. Before performing the topology check, you must select the road area to be checked. If not selected, the modeling module is not available. After selection, click the Check button to start the topology check. You can also click the Pick New Area button to reselect a road area polygon for the topology check. If there are no topology errors, the status bar will display Done after the check is complete. If there are topology errors, the software will stop checking and pop up an error information display box. This box includes recommended operations, check items, and error descriptions. Double-clicking an error line allows for real-time location jumping. This information helps users quickly locate and fix topology errors. Clicking the Automatic button can automatically repair some topology errors, but some errors may require manual adjustments. The recommended operations section will prompt users to choose manual or automatic operations. Users can follow the prompts to correct the errors until all check items pass. Once the topology check is complete, you can proceed with the modeling operation. Additionally, you can select the modeling content. Checking Terrain will automatically model the road surface, flower bed, and isolation zone. Checking Ground Printing will automatically model arrows, lane lines, and crosswalks. Checking Ground Facility will automatically model facilities on the ground, such as swage grates and manholes. Note that ground facilities specifically refer to those like swage grates and manholes located on the road surface, while ordinary facilities such as streetlights, trash cans, and poles do not qualify as ground facilities. You can also make detailed selections for modeling content through detailed settings. With the topology check passed, click the Modeling button to begin automatic modeling of the selected objects. Once modeling is complete, the road scene layer will appear in the project bar on the left. This concludes the introduction to the Road Auto Modeling function. Thank you for watching.